Hello guys, welcome back to NAFRMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Kuromi. The story of Kuromi revolved around her being an escaped prisoner from Mari Land. She has the melody key, the artifact with powers to corrupt dreams. Kuromi has a partner named Baku, and together, they plan to gather 100 black notes to revive the spirit of dark power. This is also to get back to my melody for causing her turmoil, which happened accidentally. Kuromi then ventures into the human world, where she meets Keiichi Hiragi, a famous high school boy named Gyoka. Eventually, she teams up with Keiichi and falls madly in love with him. While it seems to be a war scene between Kuromi and my melody, it's more actually filled with their cuteness and bubbly interactions. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.